Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Now we are going to study our lecture number 6 of chapter number 3, plasma as fluids. Lecture number 6 is about equation of continuity for plasma fluids. As we are considering plasma as a fluid, so what is equation of continuity for plasma fluids? First of all, let's define what is meant by equation of continuity. The conservation of matter. The conservation of matter requires that the total number of particles n in a volume V can change only if there is a net flux of particles across the surface bounding that volume. Mean total mass remains conserved. Total mass remains conserved if there is no any transportation of particles into or out of the volume of a certain liquid, just like we are talking about here, plasma. To explain it, let us consider we have plasma. This is what we have, plasma in it. This is the boundary which contains plasma. Plasma, you know, is a cos-neutral gas which consists of electrons, ions and neutral particles. Okay, here is a plasma, and if I take certain volume here, this volume is dV, let's suppose this volume is dV, volume of this element is dV. How many particles this volume will contain? As we know, plasma density is denoted by small n. Small n is the plasma density, mean number of particles per unit volume. Small n is the number of particles per unit volume. In 1 मीटर क्यूब में कितने नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स मौजूद हैं, इसे हम डेंसिटी ऑफ प्लाज्मा या प्लाज्मा डेंसिटी कहते हैं. ओके, ये तो 1 मीटर क्यूब में है. This n is the density of plasma in 1 meter cube. If we have dV volume, then number of particles in dV volume will be n into dV. N into dV. N into dV. And if we want to calculate number of particles in whole volume, in this whole volume, we will integrate it. We will integrate it. This is total number of particles in the volume dV. This is total number of particles in volume dV here. In volume this one. In whole volume. Now, according to equation of continuity, total number of particles in this volume will remain constant. Will remain constant. If there is no net flux, mean electrons, ions or neutral particles are not leaving this volume or entering this volume. If nothing leaves or enters this volume, total mass remains constant. Total mass remains constant. Equation of continuity describes that fluid remains conserved. Fluid remains conserved mean particles in fluids remain same if there is no net flux. This is what we call equation of continuity. Equation of continuity describes that uh, fluid remains conserved. Fluid remains conserved, or the conservation of matter requires that the total number of particles in volume can change only if there is a net flux of particles across the surface bounding that volume. Now let us suppose certain particles leave this volume. Leave this volume. Let's suppose leave this volume. So there is a flux. Flux means flow of something. So particles are leaving this. So change in particle in this volume will be, in this volume dV will be partial n by partial t. We calculate change in the number of particles with respect to t. With respect to t. This is what I'm supposing. I'm supposing that number of particles are leaving this volume. In this volume, number of particles were n dV. Now suppose certain particle leave this, so leave behind less number of particles. So change in number of particles delta n by n is equal to integral partial n we differentiate partial n by partial t. Number density will change here. Total number of particles, if we know, were n is equal to volume integral n dV. ओके, ये कैसे आया? मैंने बताया आप लोगों को कि अगर यूनिट वॉल्यूम के अंदर नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स मालूम करने हो ना, तो वो होते n, प्लाज्मा में n, और dV में n dV, और टोटल कितने वॉल्यूम है, कितना वॉल्यूम है हमारे पास, टोटल कितने हमारे पास नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स हैं होल वॉल्यूम के अंदर, तो हमने इंटीग्रेट कर लिया था. सो टोटल नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स को हम कैपिटल N से डिनोट कर रहे हैं. कैपिटल N इज इक्वल टू इंटीग्रल n dV. तो अब चेंज अगर मालूम करें तो इंटीग्रेट कर लें, डिफरेंशिएट कर लें, पार्शियल n बाई पार्शियल t, पार्शियल डेरिवेटिव ले लें. ठीक है, तो ये हमारे पास पार्शियल डेरिवेटिव आ गया. पार्शियल n बाई पार्शियल t इज इक्वल टू इंटीग्रल वॉल्यूम इंटीग्रल partial n small n by partial t into dV. As we know, particles are leaving, so in this volume number of particles will decrease, and this will be written as minus surface integral nu dot ds. This is flux. This is flux we have. As particle flux density is nu. Particles that leave this volume move with velocity u. So nu is the flux density. Nu is the particle flux density. So for total we have surface integral nu dot ds. Okay, this is what we call flux, nu dot ds. This is our equation number 1. Minus sign shows here particles are decreasing because particles are leaving the volume dV. Now if we apply divergence theorem on right hand side of this will be equal to del dot nu into dV. Surface integral will be changed into volume integral by using Gauss divergence theorem. This is what we know very well कि जब हमें सरफेस को वॉल्यूम में कन्वर्ट करना होता है तो हम फिर गॉस डाइवर्जेंस थ्योरम यूज करते हैं. सो इक्वेशन नंबर 1 में राइट साइड को आपने चेंज कर लिया वॉल्यूम इंटीग्रल में. दिस इज व्हाट वी कॉल वॉल्यूम इंटीग्रल. सो पार्शियल n बाय पार्शियल t इज इक्वल टू माइनस वॉल्यूम इंटीग्रल डेल डॉट nu dv. This is our equation number 2. So now we compare equation number 1 and 2. We get By comparing equation number 1 and 2, we get volume integral partial n by partial t dot dv is equal to minus uh, volume integral del dot nu into dv. So volume integral cancels volume integral, we get partial n by partial t is equal to minus del dot nu, okay, or partial n by partial t, this will be take it to left and it will be plus n del dot nu is equal to 0. Partial n by partial t plus del dot nu is equal to 0. This is our equation number 3, and this is what we call equation of continuity for each species in plasma. This is equation of continuity. That's all from here. Allah Hafiz.